Hello, good morning. How you feel now, Oedipus Rex? Are you okay? Now we are marching to the real initial incident of the drama. Now Oedipus has been reported by some agents, especially Creon, that is something happened, and Oracle is of the opinion that is something happened. Now the previous area we came across with the chorus. Yes, the initial introduction of the importance of chorus. In all Greek tragedies, chorus appearing, and they, in between previous section and the future section, will be connected by the chorus, and they always sing songs and hymns, praise to God, and they are intermediary forces in between human beings and gods. So prophets and all people, oracles, Delphi oracles, have been communicated by this method. So once you go through the line by line to the drama, you should enjoy the proper purity. Oedipus after chorus appearing, line number 250. You pray, but if you listen now to me, I will get your wish. Hear what I have to say. Treat your own disease, then you may hope to find relief from your distress. Oedipus became the king and find all the sufferings of the people. And partial information has been given to him, but still he finds a lot of people suffer. Many suffering people appear in front of his palace and reporting what is the root cause of our suffering. I shall speak as one who is a stranger to the story, a stranger to the crime. This is a dramatical, ironical matter. Oedipus reporting what all things are happening in the palace is unknown to me, because I am a stranger. I killed the Sphinx and you made me king. The Sphinx has been taking the whole youth from these peoples, and I became unknowingly I became your king, and your queen was given to me as a queen, and now I am in your palace. I am the king, but all the problems related to the root causes unknown to me, because I am a stranger. All these things are strange things to me. If I alone were tracking down this act, I do not get far without a single clue. Underline single clue. I know what I am. I know who is your king. I am the king. I know how to tackle. But I do not know the single clue, which may be the clue, the reason of these diseases, the reason of these sufferings, at the same time the reason of who killed your former king Laius. I have no idea. I have no clue. The being the case, for it was after the event that I became a citizen of Thebes. Means what? I became the citizen and the king of Thebes unknowingly. I came to your kingdom only to kill your Sphinx, because Creon wanted me, or anybody who kills the Sphinx, the monastery would be given the palace as a kingdom. At the same time, Queen Jocasta will be given as a wife. Then I killed the Sphinx. I became the king. I became citizen of Thebes. I now proclaim the following to all your Cadamenians, all the Phoebians, all the people in front of you. I tell you, whoever among you knows the man it was who murdered Laius, as a king, I would demand, if anybody knows who is responsible to kill Laius, come forward. Come forward. If you admit the real mistake, there will be a chance to give you no punishment at all. That is a very great offer. It's a great offer by the king. Means what? If anybody is standing here who is responsible to kill the former king Laius, come forward. I am ready to give you excuse. Of Lepidus, I order him to reveal to all to me. Underline the statement. The king, Oedipus, wanted, if anybody is hiding themselves here among the crowd, who was responsible to kill Laius, come forward and report me everything. I am ready to help you. I order him to reveal it all to me. And if the murderer is afraid, I tell him to avoid the danger of the major church. If the murderer is here, I tell you that he will be discharged from all the charges. That is a hollow promise. Once he gets the real culprit, he will smite his head. But all the kings and all dictators would give such a promise. If anybody is ready to come forward and report me who is responsible for that, I am ready. Otherwise, if I stand and come to meet the real enemy, the real person murderer, I tell you, his shape will be different. His shape will be different means what? His head will be smitten off, I am sure. But your duty, if anybody is responsible and hiding themselves, come forward and reveal the real truth. Things will be very easy for me to find. Means I have no other objection to punish the people. If you are not ready, I will find. If I find, punishment will be very, very serious. Sometimes in front of the public, your head will be cut. I am sure. I order him to reveal it all to me. If the murderer is afraid, I tell him to avoid danger of the major church. If that person who killed Laius is among you, please come. His charges will be liberated. He will be made free if he convicts. If he admits his mistake in front of me, he will be sent out of this land unhurt and undergo no further punishment. Underline, no further punishment. Means what? I am your king. If you are ready to admit the mistake, let him come. I will give no punishment at all. This is a very sugar candy promises. Sugar candy promises. But nobody who has education, who has a little bit thinking, nobody would consider this is a very serious promise. A king cannot do like, but he makes an experiment among the public. If someone knows otherwise, on the other hand, next chance is given to, if anybody knows about that person who killed Laius, can also come to me and report to me. If there is any evidence, if there is any clue, if anybody knows who is responsible to kill Laius, that person can also come and report to me. He will be, if someone knows that killer is a stranger from some other state, if he belongs to Pakistan, if he belongs to Bangladesh, if he belongs to Sri Lanka, no problem you report. Just give me information. I will go and catch him from Bangladesh or Pakistan. No problem at all. I can find. Because I am Oedipus the Rex. I am Oedipus the king of Pebas. Undergo no further. But if he remains quiet, underline, if such people, if you know the truth and hide yourself, be careful. If anybody knows the real truth and hiding the truth from me, such people will be also caught and punished. That is a promise. So, no other way to escape from my punishment. If you reveal the real truth, I will consider. Otherwise, strong punishment will be given. If he remains quiet, and if anyone through the fear hides himself to be friend of his against my orders. Otherwise, if you decide to go against my orders, if you go against my orders, shape will be different. I will find such a person's shape will be totally different. For I decree that no one in this land in which I rule as our king, because I am the king, majestic king, I will find the sources. All those people who are responsible to kill the former king, it is my responsibility to find. I will find the real culprit behind it. For decree, I am your king, shall give that killer shelter, talk to him, whoever he may be, to act on in concert with the during prayers of sacrifice, sharing lustral water. Underline lustral water, that is related to holy water. There is a practice during the time of death, holy water will be given for the person to drink. But I tell you, such people will never get holy water during the time of death. I tell you. This is a word, you take it granted from Oedipus Rex. Ban him from your homes and every one of you for his pollution. The Python God has just revealed to me. In doing this, I am acting as an alloy of the God. Means what? This is my duty to find the real responsible person to kill the former king. Because during this time, there was a theory that kings and queens will be selected by God. And what the king and the queen says is godly words, considered to be godly words. That theory is called divine theory of dynasties. It is decided by God. In the same way, such persons will be denied holy water from the churches. So be careful. If such a person is hiding themselves, let him come forward and report me. I am acting as a God, and I pray whoever the man who did this crime, I want to know who did this crime. Underline crime. What crime? Killed the former king Laius. Who killed this former king? Report me. One unknown person acting his own with companions. If one person or the person accompanied by a group of other people, no worry, any one of them can come to me and report me. Otherwise, Oedipus will find. If Oedipus will be finding, such people's head will be not on the shoulders. It will be cut, definitely cut, because it is a word from Oedipus. Unknown person acting agonies, I pray to that he should become an honored guest in my own home. If such a person, a responsible person, himself coming forward and report me, Oedipus promising he will not be punished, he will be guest in my palace, he will be honored, he will be kept as a guest in my palace. In my knowledge, I may suffer all these things I have just called down upon the killers, and I urge you now to make sure all these orders effect for my sake and for the sake of God and for our barren. Our country now has become barren. What is the meaning of barren? No cultivation at all. No agricultural production at all. Our country has become barren. What is the reason behind it? As a king, I should know. Godless and ruined land. Underline. There is no God to save us. There is no agricultural productions. There is no harvest. and even our land, all land became waste and wasteland. Yes, like no use at all, no cultivation possible. For this matter, if a God were no prompting us, it would not be right for you to simply leave things as they are. I am the king. I cannot live in this world without looking into this problem, because I am the king. I should know what is the reason behind it. So a king cannot easily simply sleep in his palace without looking to the matters of the land and the kingdom and the public. To simply leave things as they are, I cannot leave these things simply unnoticed. I cannot leave things unnoticed. I should act in the proper time, not to purify the murder of man who was noble and was your king. Your former king Laius was a noble king. I know. Who killed him? I should know. You should have looked into, but now I possess the ruling power. At present, on behalf of Laius, I am the king of the land. I enjoy the power. You should understand, which Laius held in early days. I have his bed and wife. Underline. Not merely becoming the king of this land. I use his bedroom now. I use his queen as my wife now. What all the facilities have been given to me, you should understand. I have his bedroom and his wife is with me. She would have borne his children. She would have borne, but they did not have children. Dramatic irony. Oedipus himself was a child of this queen. Look here. They would have no, but Oedipus thought they had no children at all. She would have borne his children if hopes to have a son not being disappointed. If these Laius and Jocasta had a son earlier, such problems would be faced by him. Dramatic irony. He himself is the son, but nobody knows. Children from common mother might have lingered Laius and myself, but it is turned out to fire souped into the head. So now I will fight on his behalf. Underline, I am ready to fight on behalf of him. Instead of on behalf of your former king, I will fight and find on he as if a matter concerned my father, as I will strive to do everything I can to find him. I will try to find one who killed these Laius. I will find the real murderer. I can to find him, the man who spilled his blood and avenge the son of Labdacus and Polydorus. Labdacus and Polydorus are the founder gods of this city or royal family, Clemens and Agamemnon. As for those who do not urge, I pray the gods send them to fertile land. These kings and all these were selected by God. All these gods had made our country a fertile land earlier, nor any children in the women's wombs now. As per God's wish, now there has been a curse upon our country. Our country has become non-fertile. All children now die. Youth had been killed by monstrous swings, and many tragic sufferings we prefer and we face. Such causes to be considered. I pray the gods send them fertile and no fertile and all perish in present fate. One more hateful still to you others, you are academians who support my efforts, my justice, our ally. All the gods attend on us with kindness and always. I know you are very religious people. I am also very religious king. Let us together, all together, praise God, and we'll one day or another day, we will find the solution of our sufferings at present. Chorus leader now appearing. There will be a leader to the chorus. Chorus telling me, Lord, since you extend your oath to me, I will say this. I am not the murderer. That is a humoric element. Chorus leader say, if I come forward and tell you, my Lord, don't think I am the murderer. I am only a chorus leader. I want to tell you one matter, not related to murder of liars and all that. Don't think that I am the murderer. Nor can I tell you who the killer is. And also I am not at all aware of the killer who really killed our lives. I have no idea. For what is seeking, it is Apollo who launched this tree and state who did it. But one thing I know, if you go to our supreme God leader, Tiresias, Tiresias is a prophet. What is speciality to this prophet? He is a blind prophet. All right. During this time, prophets were considered to be a messenger from God. So Tiresias, chorus leader reporting the king, if you contact with the prophet Tiresias, our land prophet is there. He is a blind prophet. If you try to talk to him, some clues will be getting. It is my humble opinion, chorus leader asking. Oedipus, that is well said. Okay, very good. What you said is good. But no man he is power to force gods to speak against their will. Chorus leader, may I then suggest what seems to me? Can I tell you one matter in person, my lord? Very humble suggestion. Can you listen to me? The next best course of action, Oedipus, why not? You can tell me anything. You are the chorus leader, tell me anything. And if there is a third course, do not hesitate to let me know. If you have any suggestion, you reveal your truth. You open your mind. Let me listen. Let me hear what you want to play. Chorus leader, oh, mere Lord, our own prophet Tiresias, I know, can see into things. Underline, can see into things. Chorus leader reports Oedipus, in our land there is a prophet, one prophet who is blind, but can see things from his inner mind. So if you call him here, all right, prophet will come and tell you who is the real responsible person? Killed liars. And what is the reason of all the continuous suffering of our land? That is my humble suggestion. Can you do that? Oedipus, you may indeed, chorus, our own Tiresias, I know, can see into things like Apollo, underline Apollo, like supreme God. Even the public report, my lord, supreme God communicates with him every night. Reported. All the supreme gods are talking to prophet Tiresias every night. So if you consult with him, a real responsible person will be revealed. The second thing, if you try to ask, prophet Tiresias would tell what is the reason behind of all our sufferings. That is easy. Oh, all the Tiresias I know can see into things like Apollo, from him my king, a man investigating this, might well find to details of the crime, underline details of the crime. What crime? Murder of Tiresias. If you want to know the real culprits behind the lies murder, Tiresias would tell you everything he knows, because he has an indirect connection, immediate connection to God Apollo. God Apollo would reveal. Oedipus, I have taken care of that. Before you are reporting, I have taken already steps for that. But this blind prophet not reaching my palace. Why? Where is he gone? I had sent messengers to call him here. Lot of days ago. He did not come so far. I have taken care of it. Is no something I could overlook and cry on urging. I have dispatched. I have already sent 2 messengers to call him in the palace. But he did not come. I have been wondering why he is not coming so far. Chorus leader. Apart from that, there is rumors Some people say, but inconclusive ones from a long time ago. What kind of rumors? I am looking to the every story. People say different story about killing of our former king. Rumor saying, what type of rumor? Chorus leader. It was said the Laius was killed by certain travelers. Underline. Chorus leader reporting Laius, the former king, was killed by a group of travelers. It was actually done travelers, but the man who killed Laius was Oedipus. Laius was killed by certain travelers. Oedipus. Yes, I know. Some people reported me, but no one has seen who did it. From the group of the travelers, who really killed Laius? Nobody knows. That is our problem. Chorus leader. Well, if the killer has my fears, once there's your curse on him, he will not hold back, for they are very serious. Oedipus. When a man has no fear of doing the act, he is not afraid of words. Oedipus knows the man who has no fear to kill the king will be ready to report his crime. But so far, nobody reported it as it told by Oedipus. Chorus leader. No, not in the case where no one stands there to convicting. But at last, Tiresias being guided here, our God-like prophet. Chorus leader. Humbly suggesting our Oedipus not to worry. I find the sound footsteps of Tiresias now entering to the palace. Now he is slowly coming. He is not a simple ordinary prophet, my lord. He is a God-like prophet. He will come and tell you the whole truth. Don't worry. Within 24 hours, we will arrest all the people. I am damn sure. I listen from the mind of my soul of my life. I humbly listen. Footsteps now coming, entering. Tiresias, old godlike prophet. Tiresias slowly entering to the palace, now appearing. God-like prophet, in whom the truth resides more so than in all other men. All other men's all secrets he knows, because in his heart God lives. So God will reveal all the truth. Now Oedipus is very happy to listen such words. Now enter Tiresias with a small boy hanging his just catching his hand. Why? He is a blind prophet. He is an old man. Tiresias is an old prophet who is blind, now supported by a boy, slowly entering in front of our king Oedipus, the majesty of Pebas. What Tiresias is going to report, we will see in the next class. Till that moment, thank you very much.